Hello all. Here is VM Khalilur Rahman conveying an important message of Ambur from Atlanta to you. This message has been sent to me by Mr. Chaudhary Nisar Ahmed, who, along with some other residents of Noorullahpet Mohalla, met the municipality chairman of Ambur, Mr. P. Aejaz Ahmed, and requested him to arrange for a new drainage system in AYYAPILLAI YACOOB Sahab Street, as the old one is very bad and residents are facing a lot of problems. What was the message conveyed to the chairman, Mr. P. Aejaz Ahmed, is with me. I am reading it for your information. Please listen to it. We, the residents of AYYAPILLAI YACOOB Street, Noorullahpet, Ambur, met Mr. P. Aejaz Ahmed, chairman, and requested him to construct a new drainage system in our locality, AYYAPILLAI YACOOB Sahab Street, because the old one is in miserable condition and we are facing severe problem of overflow drainage for the past several years. He listened to our request and promised us to sanction the new drainage system as soon as possible. The new road has already been sanctioned to our street. In this regard, we are thankful to our chairman. He listened to our complaints carefully and we appreciate for his nice gesture towards us. Here are the residents who met him on 30th September 2023 at noon. I am attaching the photo herewith for your information. It is hoped that the chairman will look into this matter and arrange for a new drainage system at the earliest. Thank you for your listening.